Hi guys, I'm Brooke and today I'm here with Cooper. And what are we gonna draw today?
A lion.
A lion. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Are you set?
Yep.
Okay, so right in the middle, we're just gonna draw
A circle.
a circle. Good. Now up here, we're gonna draw a line. So it'll be right there. Just a short little line. Okay, make sure you hold this. There you go. Short. Oh, good. Now we're over next to it, we're gonna put another short line. Good. And then we're just going to connect those two lines with a curved line. Good. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're just gonna do a short line up. Good. And then we're gonna do another line next to it. So about right here, right there. Good. And now same thing, we're just gonna curve those and connect. Connect. Good.
I almost did it.
Yeah, good job, you did it though. All right, now down here, we're gonna make a U, and it doesn't touch that line. So we actually wanna go from this dot, you're gonna go down, up. Hold your finger, down, out to there, good. Okay, now we're gonna do it again from here, down, up. So you're gonna go from here and go down and back up over to here. Down, up, good.
That much.
Again, out and up. So from here, you just go out here and back up to there. Down, that's the wrong way. So take it from here and go this way. So go that way. There, good. And we're gonna keep going. Another one. So from here, you're gonna come out to here and come back to there. Good. And then we're gonna do it again. Out and in. Okay, so from here, go out to here and come down to here. So go out, no, out, yep, that way. And keep going out. Come back, yay, good.
Not the biggest much.
So let me catch up to you because I'm not to the ear yet. Now we're both at the ear. Good. So then on the other side of the ear, we're gonna go out and in. Okay, so over on this side of the ear, you can start there. You're gonna come out to there and come back down to there. And down. Good, but can you touch this part? So from here, just connect to that line. Perfect, good. All right, now I'm gonna do another one. Up and down. So this time we're going up and then down. So from here, you're gonna come up and then go back down. Okay, hold your paper, hold your paper. Where's your hand? Good job. Right here. Right there. Up and down. Good. Now we're gonna come up and down again. So from here, you're gonna come up and down. Just touch the top of the ear.
You're doing.
So start right here. And go up to here and then down to here. Down. Yay! Good job.
I'm gonna get that.
All right, now from here, I want you to come down to there.
I want that.
See how I just made a little line down? So you're gonna go from here down to here. Good. And I'm gonna keep going around. So from here, you're gonna come out to here and back to here. Start here, and then come out. Now go all the way down to there. Keep going. Nice, good. I'm gonna do another one, and so are you. From here, out and in. Start here and go out and in. Out and in. Good. I need two. Now you're gonna do one more. Okay, so yours is gonna go from here out to here and then meet right back up over there. Yeah. Out. Bring it back in. From here, you gotta curve around and back down to there. Good. That looks so good. All right, now I'm gonna start over on this side and I'm just gonna do a curved line coming down. Okay, so you're gonna start right here and you're gonna curve it down, to about right there. Good. Now we're gonna do a nice long curved line all the way over. So you're gonna go from here all the way over to this side. Good.
Well, that's big.
Okay, now we're just gonna do a line that comes straight up. It's not too big. Okay, so it'll just go from here straight up to there. Good. And then from there, we're gonna make it like a mountain and curve it up like a mountain, back over into the, from here, just curve it back over and touch. Good. All right. Now, we're gonna come down here and we're just gonna make a straight line coming down. So about right here, coming down to about there. Good. And then I'm gonna do another one towards the front right here. I'm gonna bring it down. So you'll go right here and bring it down to there. These are our legs. You're so smart. That's good, that's good, that's good. All right, and then from here, on the back foot, I'm gonna take it straight across and I want it to pass this line. Okay, so you're gonna take it from here over to about right here. Straight line. Good. Now from the top part, I'm gonna make it like a mountain. And I'm gonna mountain it down to touch up with this friend. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go out and down. Good. That looks great. All right, now inside, we're just gonna make a little curved line. Awesome. Now he has two legs in the front, right?
Mm-hmm.
We want to draw a second line, so we'll look right next to this line. I'm going to make another line. So right here, you're just going to come down to right here. Try again. And give your hand. You gotta put your hand here to hold your paper. Good. And then I'm going to do another mountain. I'm going to curve it over and touch. So you want to take yours from here and touch over to there. Oh, good. All right. Now in the back, we have more legs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So right here, I'm gonna do a line coming down. I want it about the same length as this one. So we're gonna start right here and you want it to come all the way down to there. Oh, wait, hold your paper. There you go. Good. Nice. And again, we're gonna draw a straight line coming over for his foot. So from right there, over to about there. Good. All right, now this line is gonna be a bit of a diagonal, just coming down. So this one's gonna start here, and we want it to come all the way into there. Hold your paper right in place. Good. Now remember that mountain? Here comes my mountain to make a foot. So from here, curve up and touch. Touch, touch, touch. Good. That looks really great, buddy. Now we're gonna make a second leg. Comes down, but it doesn't touch. Okay, so it's only gonna come from here and it's gonna stop right there. Good. And then from here, we're gonna curve it back over like a mountain. So yours can just come and touch that line. Good. Nice. And I'm just gonna connect mine in. And then we just wanna put a little toe in there, a little line inside his foot, right? Our lion is looking so good. All right, now we need to add a tail. So from the top right here, we're just gonna draw a line that comes out and up, because cats have a long tail and a lion is a type of cat. So from right here, just gonna make a line up nice and high, up to like about there. Oh, wait, hold your paper. Good. All right, now we wanna draw another line. Look, they don't touch. It follows this line up, but they don't touch. Okay, so you're gonna go from here and you wanna stay out here and come all the way up. Starting right here. Oh, hold your paper. Nice, that was amazing. All right, now I'm gonna take this and go out. So you wanna go from here and you wanna go over and out to there. Nice, same thing on the other side. We're gonna curve it out. So from here, we're gonna curve it out to here. Can you do that? Nice. And now I'm gonna curve it, take a little line in. So from here to here. Hold your paper, hold your paper. It's gonna move. And same thing on the other side. I'm gonna bring it in. So you're gonna come from here inside just a little bit with a nice line coming in. Hold your paper.
I did.
Good. You did? Good job. Now from here, we're just gonna draw a little line coming up. Hey, I held your paper. You didn't hold it. And then you come from up here, you just bring it back down to its friend. So just from here, bring it back down to its friend. Hold your paper. Down, down, down. Good. Wow, he's got a tall tail, but I like it. All right, so let's give him a face. All right, so for his eyes, what shape are eyes usually?
Circle.
A circle. So right here on this side, I'm gonna draw a circle. Okay, can you draw a circle over here? Good, make sure you hold your whole paper. And then we're gonna draw one on the other side, a circle. Good. Now all mine, I always draw another circle inside just to give it cute factor. So put another little circle right inside. And on this side too, up here by the corner, just a circle. That's okay, looks great. All right, now in the middle, right here, we're just gonna make a very short line. Okay, so you want yours to go from about here, just about that long, okay? Good, and we're gonna make it into a triangle, okay? So we're gonna do this one and curve it and bring it back from here down to there. Good, and then you wanna do the other side. So bring it from here down to there. Nice, what a good nose you have. All right, now right in the middle where it comes to a point, we're just gonna draw a line coming straight down. So right there, just down to about there. Try again, it didn't show up very well. There it is. All right, now I'm gonna just curve it a little bit and I'm gonna just draw a diagonal line coming up. So from here, you're gonna come out to there. Good. And on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing up to there. Oh, I forgot my other circle. I had you do it and I forgot. All right, from here, now you're just gonna come over to here. Good, right there. Yay. Now on mine, I do add a little line on each side. You kind of already did that because you have this line here and then you have this line here. So we'll just finish them off. Wow, he looks so cute. All right, are you ready to color our lion?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's start coloring. Are you ready to show everybody your lion?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, yours is so cute. You did a really good job. You're becoming a little artist. Will you do another one with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll see you guys again next time for another How to Draw. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.